Ya kini ki silencer la penduk bat Pynpra daka kali road roller haga belayu napang ya kini ki silencer ha police reserve Shillong. Haga belaidan lang superintendent ki Pulit ki East Khasi Hills uba Sylvester Notnger, USP City uba Vivek CM, USP Traffic uke Prasad bat kiwe ki he Pulit. Habakran bat uba Sylvester Notnger ulong baya kini ki shispa prapowi Tylli ki silencer ki bela penduk bat Pynpra no ki dai ki belayu ban kurup digi Pulit hakismi bagi penlong ya kajing khandra ha kaleng jaka. Ulito bagi Pulit nang na syakamat kin beteng ban khandra ki kali bat ki thok bat an khandra lang ru ki kali ki bata yit yong ki bayat kam tam ki por men miet ha ka babon ki khana song shed ki bejunya klam akor bat klam dadan ki license nya kali ban chukdo hang ne kani gede kesien ka beneng kong baki Pulit kin pendo bat Pynpra ki silencer ki beli okurup na ka jing pendat bean ha ki kali bat ki thok ki ba penni ka jing sawa ka ba jamba.
To seize all this modified silencer. So you have seen last year this year we started from January and till date we have seized 320 we have detected, but then we have seized 181. Previously when we detected we request the owner to to remove on their own, but then we realized that later that some are again using it. So when we realized that, then now we have seized this 181. The STP will continue to detect all the modified silencer which is not authorized by law. So we'll continue to do that. And for this year we realized fines from all this modified silencer about 12,46,500, and that has been deposited to the government checker, the state treasury. So that's all. And
STP and along with the police stations have set up checkpoints in various places, especially at night, to check youngsters who actually have consumed alcohol and drinking. So we are concerned about actually young people driving and drinking and driving. And we also concerned that those people who have not got licenses are driving. So we have actually set up these nakas to check on these things. So after the checking and all that has drastically reduced, but we would urge parents, we would urge their guardians and all that, please do not give two-wheelers when they have not acquired a license. They have not they are not supposed to consume alcohol when they are planning to drive and all that. So otherwise it will cause accidents, which we have seen that these accidents are very fatal in nature, especially with two-wheelers. We also urge that we have also conducted surprise checkings in one ways where there is no entry from one side, whereby some people violate no entries, and we have seen also many a time that there have been fatal accidents and loss of lives. So STP is on the job to actually ensure that there is no rash negligent driving, so that lives are saved, and also that there is no social nuisance. So in various forms, this is just one such initiative. No, there are so many others. Loud noise from boom boxes and all that. There are also people using blinkers. Then there are also so many other things, so many other violations than drunken driving and all that, which we are doing and all that. So